Hello, and welcome to TXTImpact Tutorials. In this video, we'll show you how to integrate your Outlook account with your TXTImpact account, allowing you to send and receive messages directly from Outlook. Let's get started. First, download the manifest file. You can find the download link in the video description below. Next, log into your Outlook account and open any email. From the toolbar, click on Apps or the three-dot menu, then select Get Add-ins. Navigate to My Add-ins, then select Custom Add-ins and click Add from File. Choose the downloaded XML manifest file and click Install. Once the installation is complete, open any email and click on the app and select the TXTImpact icon. Enter your TXTImpact login credentials. The Messenger panel will then open on the right-hand side, allowing you to send and receive messages directly within Outlook. If you'd like to sync your Outlook contacts and automatically save messages to your Sent Items folder, you'll also need to connect Outlook within the TXTImpact Dashboard. To do this, navigate to Integrations, select Outlook, and click Connect. Follow the prompts to authorize your Outlook account. Once connected, your Outlook contacts and Sent Items integration will be enabled within TXTImpact. Thanks for watching.